everyone. Tonight for supper I'll be making slow cooker Italian beef sandwiches. So what all goes into the slow cooker Italian beef sandwiches? 2 to 3 pounds boneless beef chuck eye roast. They didn't have a chuck eye roast, so I got a chuck pot roast, which is about 2.5 pounds. 1 cup zesty Italian dressing. 12 ounces sweet and hot salad peppers, undrained, or banana peppers. I chose banana peppers. 6 to 8 sandwich buns, and I have 6. Provolone cheese, and the recipe didn't call for it, but I have some leftover sliced black olives that I'll be putting in there as well. So let's begin. You know me, I usually use a slow cooker liner, but it's very hard to shred the meat when there's a liner in there. So I just went ahead and sprayed that, and it'll still be easier cleanup than if I didn't spray it at all. So put your chuck roast in the bottom of the slow cooker and pour the 1 cup of the zesty Italian dressing on top of that. That already looks like it's going to have a lot of flavor. Then take 1/2 of the jar of the peppers and put that on top of the meat, and reserve the other half of the peppers and 1/2 of the juice from the jar, which is about 1/2 of a cup. And then I'm going to put 1/4 of a cup of black olives. Then put your lid on, turn it to low, and cook it for 6 hours, or on high for 4. I'll see you in 5 hours because there's something that needs to be done the last hour before it is ready. It's an hour before the meat should be done. We've been cooking it for 5 hours. So we want to take the lid off, take a bowl and a ladle, and get most of the juice out. So I've got most of it out. Then we'll take our little meat shredders and shred the meat. And then I took it out of the crock pot because my shoulder reaching up and into, I wasn't able to shred it. So then take your 4th cup of grated parmeszn cheese and sprinkle it all over and give that a stir. And let that cook for another 30 to 60 minutes until the flavors have all mixed together and everything is tender. All right, so our beef is done. I have a hoagie bun here with provolone cheese, and I'm going to put the beef on the cheese like so. And put some of the reserved banana peppers on top. And a few olives. So here is the slow cooker Italian beef sandwich. Rounding out the meal is waffle fries. Let's see what Dave thinks.
What is this?
Slow cooker Italian beef sandwich.
Okay. I smell those pepperoncini peppers.
Those are actually banana peppers.
Banana peppers, okay. It's very good. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.